Hello watch friends, what we're going to do today is take a look at this. It's a vintage Omega Speedmaster Mark II, reference 145014. Now this one I've had for about 7 years. It's in pretty good order. Case back's a bit worn, but that's not uncommon on these. It's got the original 1162173 bracelet on it, so it's quite a chunky stainless steel bracelet. But the key thing with this particular watch is the brushing on the case is super sharp. Now let me just zoom in and you'll hopefully be able to see that. It was redone by a company called Swiss Time Services. Now STS used to be, and may even still be, the premier Omega service centre in the UK. So Omega would send their watches that customers walked into to a dealership and asked for a service, they would get sent to STS. And what these guys managed to do here is they built up the case. If there were any big scratches or gouges on it, they do some laser welding on it, and then they have a machine called a lapping machine, which is used to reapply this amazing stainless brushed finish to it. So it might take a few microns off the actual thickness of the case, but in a case size like this one, it's so chunky that it doesn't really matter. So this particular watch has a service dial and hands on it. So the previous owner decided that he used to have a black dial and the regular Speedmaster like hands, but these racing dial and hand set are particularly attractive looking when you compare them to the other one. So you know, the previous owner decided that when he was getting it serviced, he would have the handset and dial replaced. So this is it's in some degrees the best of both worlds, because it looks like an almost brand new watch and it's nice and bright. From a vintage point of view, some people would say, well, it's not original, the case has been refinished, but it's definitely a really lovely thing. I'll put some photos of a couple of other Speedmaster Mark IIs into the video as well, and I'll show some before and after photos of how this thing looked when it was refinished. So I don't own this watch anymore, it's been sold, but I thought I would record its journey through my hands for posterity. So hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching, keep subscribing, more videos come along soon.